Hi guys, my name is Amruta and welcome back to yet another beauty vlog. So in this video, I am going to review Sugar Cosmetic Mini Liquid Lipstick and also I will show you its sleep and night swatches. But before we start this video, if you are new on my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. And without any further ado, let's start this video.
Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
So guys, these are Sugar Cosmetic Mini Liquid Lipsticks which are very light, smudged and transfer proof and stay on your lip for a longer time. So definitely you can try your hands on these lipsticks, and also these are very compact and travel friendly, so you can easily carry on your pouch and bags. So in this mini range there are multiple color range are available, and you can buy these on Sugar Cosmetic and other online website and app.
So that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and if you do then please hit the like button and share this video. And also you can comment down below section and let me know which one is your favorite lipstick shade. So that's it. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye. Take care.